This evening, getting worse. PIOJ projects that the economy could shrink by 12%, up from the initial 10% outlook. Stretch the cash. Prime Minister tells MPs to use some of the Christmas road and bushing funds to help destroy mosquito breeding sites. And motorists saying bad roads creating holes in their pockets. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you agree with the decision to patch instead of resurface roads damaged by the recent rains?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.